They said $18,000. I sent a deposition notice. 7 hours later, they called back. $40,000. Every dollar we asked for. I'm going to show you the exact moment an insurance company decides whether your lawyer is serious and what happens when that answer is yes. I'm Garrick McFadden. I'm an AV-rated Arizona personal injury lawyer and a former insurance defense attorney with a major insurance company. I know what scares insurance companies because I used to be one of them. I sat in those rooms. I read those claim files. I watched adjusters decide which lawyers got real money and which lawyers got pennies. That decision is not random. It's not about how loud your lawyer is. Here is the case. A client was hit in a crash that was not their fault. Real injuries, real treatment, real medical records. We sent a complete demand. Liability, damages, future care, the whole picture. The first offer came back at $18,000, not because the case was worth $18,000, because the adjuster was testing it. That is what a low first offer usually is, a test. They're asking one question: is the lawyer going to fight, or is the lawyer going to fold? Is the client going to fight, or is the client going to fold, or both? We rejected the offer. We did not send an angry letter. We did not threaten. We did something quieter and more expensive for them. We filed a lawsuit. We served it on them. And then we proceeded to litigate this case. We said that we were going to out-prepare their law firm. And so here's what happened. They said $18,000 at first. Then they went up to $22,000. And I said no. And I told them, you're talking to your clients. We appreciate the offer, but at this point, there's nothing less to do but litigate. And what does that mean? It means you are meeting with your client. Please get my discovery responses and my Rule 26.1, have it verified from them, and give me 2 dates certain for their deposition. And once I have those deposition dates, I'll pick the one that works best for me. And guess what? 7 hours later, they settled for the exact number that we wanted. See, that is the moment. That is the decision. And it usually happens before anyone sees a courtroom. A serious law firm prepares the case from day one like it might be tried. Not because every case should be tried. Most should not. But because the file itself has to tell the carrier the truth. The lawyer is ready. The client is credible. The case is real. If your case feels stuck, or the offer on the table feels like a test, and you are not allowed to ask questions, let me tell you this, you're allowed to get a second opinion. If you want one, visit GAMESQlaw.com or call me at 623-233-4416. You don't have to decide everything today, but you should understand what the insurance company is actually deciding about you and your lawyer. And I know that each case is different, so this is not saying that this is going to work for you. The facts of your case are specific to you. But in this case, what we did is we showed them that we are ready to compete, and this client, he has a felony background, and we weren't scared of that. And their 22.5 was actually a very good number. It was a very fair number, but we wanted 40,000, and they gave it to us. Because at GAMESQ, it is always your injuries, our fight, your win.